Welcome to the vibrant and diverse country of Brazil, a destination that offers breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, and thrilling adventures. Brazil is the largest country in South America, known for its amazing biodiversity, including the Amazon rainforest, as well as its iconic landmarks such as the Christ the Redeemer statue in Rio de Janeiro and the majestic Iguazu Falls. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a culture enthusiast, or someone looking to relax on stunning beaches, Brazil has something for everyone. One of the main attractions of Brazil is its incredible natural beauty. The Amazon, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is home to an astonishing array of wildlife and plant species. Here, you can embark on guided tours to explore the lush jungle, go bird watching, or even take a river cruise along the Amazon River. Additionally, destinations like the Pantanal, the world's largest tropical wetland, offer the chance to see diverse wildlife, all in their natural habitat. Brazil is also famous for its lively cities, each with a unique character and cultural heritage. Rio de Janeiro, known for its carnival spirit, offers stunning beaches such as Copacabana and Ipanema, along with the iconic Sugarloaf Mountain. São Paulo, on the other hand, is a bustling metropolis known for its diverse gastronomy and vibrant nightlife. Don't forget to explore Bahia, where the fusion of African, indigenous, and Portuguese cultures gives rise to delicious cuisine, unique music styles, and colorful festivals that celebrate the local traditions. Food lovers will find Brazil a culinary paradise, filled with delicious flavors and intriguing dishes. One of the most famous Brazilian dishes is feijoada, a hearty stew of black beans with pork or beef, typically served with rice, collard greens, and orange slices. Street food is also a must-try, with snacks like coques and haas, which are crispy chicken-filled pastries, and pastéis, golden fried dough pockets filled with various fillings. Be sure to pair your meal with a refreshing caipirinha, Brazil's national cocktail, made with cachaça, sugar, and lime. In conclusion, Brazil is a captivating destination that promises unforgettable experiences for every traveler. With its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and culinary delights, it invites you to explore its wonders. Whether you choose to dance the samba in Rio, hike through the Amazon, or savor the diverse flavors of Brazilian cuisine, your journey in Brazil will undoubtedly leave you with cherished memories. So pack your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime in Brazil.